Welcome back to the Shady Spot. Today, we're unpacking every leak and teaser around the brand new Chery Omoda C7, a C-segment SUV that's boldly aiming at the usual leaders in the segment. From the outside, the Omoda C7 embraces Chery's sleek design language, giving it a sportier, more futuristic vibe than its sibling models. The front fascia grabs attention with a frameless, geometric grille that blends seamlessly into the bumper, offering a crisp, modern look. Above, slim LED daytime running lights hover over the main headlights, giving a sharp, almost predatory front profile. Looking from the side, the coupe-inspired roofline paired with a blacked-out D-pillar creates a floating roof effect that feels premium. The semi-concealed door handles and optional 20-inch alloy wheels further elevate the SUV's bold stance. The rear is just as striking, featuring full-width LED taillights with a dynamic light signature that emphasizes width and presence. At roughly 46.60mm long, with a 27.20mm wheelbase, it sits squarely alongside the RAV4, but radiates a more upscale, athletic aura. Inside, the cabin is a technology showcase. Minimalist and refined, the centerpiece is a 15.6-inch touchscreen with 2.5K resolution powered by a Snapdragon 8155 chip. Here's the twist. The screen can slide toward the passenger side, a first in this class that merges innovation with practicality. The digital instrument display ranges from 8.88 to 10.25 inches, keeping key data easily visible. Comfort isn't overlooked. Heated and ventilated electric sports seats come in leather or nappa, while a 12-speaker Sony system paired with active noise cancellation transforms the cabin into a theater-like experience. Add a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control with voice command, and up to 21 advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise and a 540-degree panoramic camera. And you begin to see why this interior feels next level. Performance is where the Omoda C7 truly impresses. The standard model features a 1.6L turbocharged engine with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, producing 195 HP and 290 Nm of torque, delivering brisk acceleration with a combined fuel consumption around 7.5 L 100 km. The hybrid variant steals the show. A 1.5L turbo paired with an electric motor and 18.4 kWh battery yields 347 HP and 525 Nm of torque. Over 90 km of pure electric range and a total range surpassing 1,200 km make it a serious contender. So, is the 2026 Omoda C7 a true RAV4 rival? Between its eye-catching exterior, sliding tech-laden cabin, luxury touches, and a plug-in hybrid that outguns most competitors, it certainly has the credentials. With pricing expected below many Japanese and Korean rivals, Chery is signaling that value alone won't define the segment anymore. Style, tech, and performance are now the battlefields. What do you think? Could this level of innovation make you switch brands? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to The Shady Spot for more cutting-edge car news and reviews.